Hello students, in the previous class we have started our new chapter that is materials, metals and non-metals. In that session I have started the topic that is physical properties of metals. In that session we have studied some physical properties of metals that are metals are solid except mercury, they are hard, they are they have metallic luster, they are malleable and they are ductile. Now we will proceed with the next property. That one, metals have high melting points. Melting point means the temperature at which a solid start changing into liquid. As you know that the solid, liquid, gas, three phases are there of matter, and matter can change from one state to another. So the temperature at which the solid state of matter is started changing into the liquid is known as melting point. So metals have high melting point. That means they can melt at a very high temperature. But there are two exceptions. That is gallium and caesium. These are two metals which have low melting point. Even they can melt in the palm of the hand. Metals have high boiling point. Metals have high boiling point means they can start changing from their liquid state to gaseous state at a very high temperature. You are knowing the boiling point. Boiling point is that temperature at which a liquid start changing into the gaseous state. जिस point पे जिस temperature पे liquid state से gaseous stage में change होना शुरू होता है matter. So metals have high boiling points. That means at a very high temperature they start boiling. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity also. That means they can conduct heat and electricity very efficiently. If any material is conductor or the good conductor of heat, it means if we heat up its one end, then the heat passes through it and reaches its another end. Best conductor are silver and copper. Of all the metals, the best conductor of heat are silver and copper, and the poor conductor are lead and mercury. Though they are the metals, but they are poor conductors. They conduct electricity. Lead and mercury also conduct heat, but at a very low extent. Metals are good conductors of electricity also. Best conductor are silver and copper. Silver and copper are the best conductor of electricity. That's why they both are used in electricity wire. If you have seen the electricity wire, basically it is made up of copper, which is having an insulation of plastic over it. Mostly copper wires are used for conduction of electricity. So the metals are good conductor of heat as well as electricity. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous means when they are beaten, they produce ringing sound. When we beat the metals, they produce ringing sound. If we drop a coin on the floor, it will produce ringing sound. This property of metal is known as sonorousness or sonority, and that's why metals are known as sonorous. So we have studied these properties of metals. They are solid, hard, having metallic luster, they are malleable, ductile, having high melting and boiling point, they are good conductor of heat and electricity, and they are sonorous also. So in the next class, we will study properties of non-metals.